AMD is partnering up with Hack Club this summer for an amazing opportunity for teenagers between the ages of 13 and 18. Alongside NASA and GitHub, they are running the largest STEM event of the summer, Stardance Challenge. Teams will be given the opportunity to build games, apps, hardware, really anything that their imagination can come up with. And they can get prizes and tools for free to help them build and create. Things like 3D printers, framework laptops, GPUs, and even other gaming hardware. So, when does it start, you ask? Well, right now! And it's going on until September 30th. It's fully online and available to teens all around the world. However, US participants can join in on an in-person hackathon experience in San Francisco if they apply and get selected. It's a perfect way to make new friends. Just sign up at stardance.hackclub.com and start building. Track how long you work on your project and earn reward coins as you submit and share your progress. This is a great hands-on experience to get the next generation not just consuming tech, but building it, because who knows where the next great mind is hiding. Again, sign up at stardance.hackclub.com and start making something today.